Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. This is Tanya at Side Gig Crafts. Guys, we are doing another entry for the birthday giveaway challenge. I hope that you are having a great day. This challenge is going till the end of August, so August 31st, and then we'll be, if I have it, your entry has to be postmarked. So I hope that you'll get your entries in soon so we can fill up our map with all the states. And today we are going to be opening a package from Judy at Red Princess Designs. She sent in this gorgeous envelope. Look, it says, please handle with love, fragile, thank you, and handmade with love by Judy at Red Princess Designs. Thank you, thank you, thank you for joining in, Judy. Let's go ahead and open this little one up. I say little one, but I feel things in there. So I know that there's more than, I think you put extras in here. I'm just saying. All right, let's see what's going on. Oh. I slid through part of it, but not the rest of it. Let's see what we can do. Can I cut the edges there and there? And then maybe get in? This would make a great journal cover, wouldn't it? All right, let's see what she sent. Just bubble wrap, that's what I'm feeling. And it said fragile, so hopefully, let's see if we can get these out. I don't want to expose addresses, so I'm going to peek real quick and make sure we're good. All right, there's a card in there. Look how cute it is. Look how cute it is. Pretty things inside. Judy, I have no doubt. Let's see what we've got. Handmade with love. Red Princess Designs. Oh, and it's adorable. Look at this cute card. It's your day. Look how cute that is. I love how you've layered up the papers here and added these balloons dimensionally. She put some foam tape underneath there, and she's got a little cupcake. It's your day, it says. Happy birthday. I hope you have a wonderful day celebrating you. Thanks for hosting such a fun and easy challenge. Best wishes, Judy. Red Princess Designs. Cute card. Thank you so much, Judy. That is beautiful. I love that. And let's see what else she sent. She sent, oh, it may not be extra, but they're chunky, and I can tell she spent some time on that. So thank you for that. My favorite, oh, it is chunky. My favorite time of the year. Look at the little guy, little hedgehog. Look how darling this little paper clip is. Oh my gosh. It says handmade by Red Princess Designs, Instagram and YouTube. I need to get a stamp like that, a smaller one like this. I've got a really big one. It's too chunky and it's too big. Takes up too much room. I need a small one. I need to figure out where to get that. Super cute paper clip. I absolutely adore that. Little tiny. She's got all the, see, there is extras in here. She's got a little couple extra little papers. So pretty. That we can write on or do something with, and then her ATC card. This is a cute little idea for an ATC card holder. I love that. It says happy birthday. Look how adorable she is. And little jemmies up here. I love the colors, the fall colors. I think I'm ready for fall, guys. I've actually been crafting in fall colors lately, and some of the other colors are like just not interesting to me. I'm all into fall. It's happening. All right. Her name is Judy. Judy. I'm not sure about the, let me see something. Let me check your last, if your last name's on here. Arzwaga, maybe. I may be saying that wrong, but Arzwaga. It's hard to read in the font that she has back here. Very pretty. Okay, and then I'm going to cover that up. And she's from Illinois. Well, we don't have that on our map yet. Hey, we get to color another one in. And she's an October baby. Her favorite colors are red, gold, and pastels. She loves crafting style, simply elegant. Oh, I like that. Crafty favorites, pretty papers, embellishments, and then she's Red Princess Designs on YouTube and Instagram. So thank you so much, Judy. That was lovely. I really do love that. Put this back on here so I don't lose it. So cute. So cute. Okay, and then greetings from Illinois. The Prairie State, land of Lincoln. Super cute. Strong roots, bright future. Cardinal is the state bird. Violet is our state flower. Really awesome. And then it's just the postcard. And I love this. Thank you so much for this. It's really beautiful. Look at that boat. I want to go there. How come I didn't go there? I was so close. I was only a few states away. That is a state I don't think I've ever been in. So thank you for sharing that with me, Judy. We're going to mark this on the state because, or on the map, because you're the first one from Illinois. Hooray! And what was her favorite colors? Let me see one more time. Red, gold, and pastels. We can use, how about yellow? Since she likes pastels, we'll use yellow for Illinois. We don't have any yellow on here yet. And we'll use a light yellow. Boop, 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 boop. That's wonderful. We've got another state filled in. Yay! Very nice. All right. Remember that just because it's filled in does not mean you can't participate. The state with the most entries gets to join in their own drawing. So if you live in Illinois too, you can still enter, of course, or any of these states that we've already colored in, or even Canada. We'll have extra entries, or an extra, drawing for that state with the most entries. So thank you so much for joining in, Judy. I really appreciate your entry. It's beautiful. I love it. And for the rest of you, thanks for watching. I hope to see you in the next one. Take care. Have a great day.